dear Munchkins, how are you all? Wish you a very happy Christmas. Now it's time to make beautiful Santa Claus using paper. So, I'm not going to speak a lot. You just wait and watch the video till end and make it with me. So kids, for making this beautiful Santa, you need your glue, you need some color sheets, you need some white sheet and pair of scissors and some cotton. Okay, so first of all we are going to take a red sheet. So kids, as you can see, I have taken out these squares from my sheets. This is a big square and this is small square. So we are going to make a beautiful cone with these two. As you can see, I have made these two cones. And now I am going to keep this aside and I am going to make the face of our Santa. So for that I am using this skin color sheet and I am drawing an oval shape with beautiful and attractive eyes, nose and lips. And now it's time to cut this face out from the paper. Okay, and now we are going to stick this face over here like this. Okay, so kids, as you can see, I have pasted my face and now it's time to make his beard, mustaches and eyebrows, and for that we are using this cotton. So let me show you. So as you can see, I have pasted his beard, mustaches and eyebrows. Now it's time to make his cap. So for making his cap, we just have to paste cotton on the smaller cone that we have made earlier. So we just have to glue this. You don't have to apply a lot of glue. You are going to make a small ball of this cotton and you can paste it on the top of the tip like this. And now we are going to just make him wear this cap. So kids, our Santa is ready. Now we are going to attach his belt. So for belt, I am using this black strip and going to paste it around his waist like this. So our Santa is ready. So kids, I hope you love this beautiful Santa. So if you loved it or like it, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter as well. If you want to send a picture of your craft, you can send us on our Instagram, which is given somewhere over here. And you can also subscribe to our channel. So have a happy Christmas and we will meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye and love you all.